recipe sounds simple enough. Take a family wagon and make it go fast. Like, sub 5.0 seconds to 100 kilometers per hour fast. It's a niche segment, no doubt, one that offers the perfect blend of practicality with sporting prowess. A family hauler capable of hauling ass when required. Many performance wagons have come and gone, but one staple in the niche segment since the late 1990s has been the Audi S4 Avant. Today, the all-new 2017 Audi S4 Avant marks the model's 6th iteration. And who doesn't love a fast wagon? Honestly, from more affordable offerings, such as the SSV Redline, Holden Sportwagen, 206 TSI Skoda Superb Wagon, Volkswagen Golf R and Passat 206 TSI, are line wagons, to dearer options like Mercedes-AMG's Claw 45, Shooting Brake and C43 and C63 estates, and even Volvo's aging but still brisk V60 Polestar, options are rife. And let's not forget the Audi S4 Avant's bigger and tougher brother, the Audi RS6 Avant. But as cool as many of these current offerings are, the first weapon wagon to steal my heart personally was the achingly